Shanghai Yiyou Electromechanical Equipment Company Limited, established in 2010. We have an associated factory, Hongyou Machinery, Suzhou Company Limited, located in Suzhou City of Jiangsu Province. We are a professional manufacturer and exporter that is concerned with the design, development, and production of thermoforming machine, plastic cups machine, thick sheet plate vacuum forming machine, thermoforming mold, hydraulic cutting machine, blister custom service. We, located in Qingpu Industrial Zone, Shanghai, 20 minutes away from Shanghai Hongqiao Airport, expressway direct to Shanghai Pudong Airport, with convenient transportation access. All of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including pipe cutting machine, pipe bending machine, pipe incision machine, radial drilling machine, milling machine, lathe, polishing machine, and quenching machine. We believe our quality and service will bring success to each customer. Our products are also exported to clients all over the world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We sincerely welcome your cooperation and look forward to building business relationship with you.
We are Shanghai Yiyou Electrical Mechanical Equipment Company Limited. We are one of the professional manufacturers of thermoforming machine, which we can provide you the plastic cup thermoforming machine, high-speed vacuum forming machine, 4 automatic 3 or 4 station thermoforming machine, and small manual thermoforming machine. Choose us, we can promise you business and your money will be safe.